So we are going to count and write to 10 today, okay? So right here, we see some cubes, right here, yellow cubes, and we're going to count them to see how many there are, and then we're going to write the number 10. The number 10 consists of a 1 and a 0 together, okay? That's a number 10. So we're going to count the cubes first. Here we go. Remember, when we count, we always touch them and or we mark them as we're counting with our pencil. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 cubes, and that's a 1 and a 0. That's how we write 10. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and trace the 10. We always start at the top to make the 1 and go straight down a line. And then we start at the top with the 0 and we make a circle. Okay, and we're going to keep on continuing to trace the number 10. So remember, everybody should be doing this with me. 10. 10. And 10. Okay. Now we're going to count some eggs. I see these eggs in the basket. We're going to go ahead and count these eggs. Remember, we're going to use the strategy of touching or marking our eggs as we count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 eggs, okay? And then now we're going to trace the 10 again. 10. Always start at the top. 10. 10. 10. And last one, 10. Okay? Now the word 10 in English starts with the a T, t, and n, t, n, 10, t, n, 10. Okay, and that's how you write the word 10. Right, once you're done with that, we'll move on to the next page. So everybody should do this work along with me, okay? Now, here we are again where I have some eggs in a basket. We're going to count them, make sure there is 10. And remember, this is how we write the number 10, okay? So we're going to count and tell how many eggs there are in this basket. So let's do it again. Counting and touching our eggs as we count. It is so important you do that so that way you make sure you're not miscounting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 eggs in a basket, okay? Now I need you to help me count and tell how many there are in each basket. So we're gonna do this one here, number 2, the red eggs in here, and I'm gonna call on someone to help me count these. So please turn on your microphone when I call your name. Maggie, turn on your microphone and count the basket, the red eggs in the basket. Let's count the ones in the red, okay?
Okay.
Ready? I'm gonna touch them and you count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many do we have? Did you say 10? Yes.
Yeah.
10. Thank you, Maggie. All right, I'm gonna call somebody else. Who can help me count the eggs, the purple eggs? Purple eggs in a basket. Let's ask Leah. Turn on your microphone, Leah. Here we go. I'm gonna touch him and you count him. Ready? Here we go.
1.
How many is the next one? Can you see that? There's 1, 2. What's the next one? Could you turn on your microphone, sweetheart? Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
how many do we have?
9.
9. Thank you, honey. Okay, I'm gonna pick somebody else. Thank you. You may mute yourself. We have 9 eggs in that basket. 9 purple eggs. Let's ask Tomas. Tomas, you're gonna count the pink ones, las rositas. Okay, Tomas, you're gonna count those eggs in that basket and tell me how many there is. Okay, so let me change my color. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah. 21.
Oh, count with 1. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What's the next one? You forgot this one.
9.
Let's count it again, okay? Here, I'm going to show you. Oopsie. Let me erase it for you, buddy. There we go. You ready? Let's count them again. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, there's 10. Don't forget that last one, okay? 10. Thank you, Tomas. Okay, let's see who else can help me with the next basket. Green eggs. I need to know how many green eggs we have. Russell, turn on your microphone, Russell, and count the green eggs with me, please. Are you ready to count with me, Russell?
Yes.
Here we go. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4,
and this year
5,
I helped. Last year my took it bad before
7,
we were
8, 9, 10.
Good job. How many are there?
10.
Thank you, Russell. You can mute yourself. Thank you for all those who helped me. And everybody should be doing the work along with me. Here we go. We got more baskets to count. Woo, woo. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to trace the number 10 so we know how to write it. Okay, here we go. Top, and then we are going to do a 0. Top, straight down, top, and a circle. Top, and then a circle. Number 10 and 10. So everybody should have those numbers traced. There should be 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, now number 7 right here says I need to count and say how many there are. Okay, so how many green eggs do we have in this basket? I'm going to ask somebody else to help me count these eggs. How about Davis? Davis, you want to turn on your camera and count these eggs with me, please? I need to know how many green eggs we have. Can you turn on your microphone? I'm going to wait a few seconds. If not, I'll move on. All right, so Davis is not responding, so we'll go to Richard. Richard, you want to help me count the green eggs to see how many there are in the basket? You want to turn on your microphone, please?
Count the green eggs with her.
Ready? I'm going to mark them and you count them as I mark them. Here we go.
2.
Oh, start with 1. Here we go. 1.
Oh, he did. He was ahead of you. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I said, let's start all over. Okay, ready, buddy?
Rick,
we
we're
go.
going to start over. Follow as she marks them on the screen. Look on the screen, not the book. See up there? Count as she marks them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. How many are there?
10.
Perfect. Thank you. Now go ahead and write the number 10 because there are 10. And Richard told us there are 10 green eggs in that basket. Thank you very much. All right, Isaiah, your turn. Help me count the eggs, the purple eggs in this basket. Tell me how many there are. So Isaiah, turn on your microphone.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I mark them, you count them. I marked the first one. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many are there?
8.
8. Thank you, Miss. Thank you very much, Isaiah, for helping me out. Now I need another person to help me count the blue eggs. Calvin, help me out, buddy. Turn on your microphone.
10.
Oh, let's count them. Ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beautiful. How many altogether?
10.
10. Thank you so much, Calvin. All right. Thank you for all those who helped me. Everybody should have these counted and they should have written their number on there. Okay. Moving on to the next page. And here we are. This is what we need to do on number 10. Let's follow the directions. It says, draw to show a set that has a number of objects 1 greater than 9. Uh-oh, 1 greater than 9. Let's look at the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number line right here. Okay, we can't have the number line all the way to 10. It says you have to draw 1 more greater than 9. Okay, so if we need to find 9 first, so where's the 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a 9. Okay, so that means we're gonna have to draw 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
6.
And it says 1 more greater than 9. Well, what's 1 more greater than 9? Right? So we have to add 1 more to make it greater. 1 more greater than 9. Okay, there's 9. And we added 1 more so it can be greater than 9. All right, so if we look at the number line here, it should be 1 more greater is 10. So we should have 10 altogether. So let's count them right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 all together. We had 9 to begin with, and we had 1 more greater, so we had 1 more, and we counted them all after we were done drawing them, and we counted 10. And are we correct? Yes, because 1 more, if you jump the number line, 1 more up that is greater is 10. So we are correct. Okay, so everybody should have this on their paper. Remember, when it says greater than 9, or when it says greater than with any number, it means bigger. Okay, greater than. If it says 1 greater than 9, that means that you have to jump. You have to draw 1 more or jump 1 more on the number line. Okay. If it says 2 greater, then you have to jump 2 times or draw 2 more. Okay. And if it's less than, we're going to take away. We're going to make it smaller. Okay. All right. So we're going to go ahead and erase all this good stuff. Did everybody get this good stuff? I hope so. The next is going to be our homework. Okay, homework. So let's get that down. Erase all this good stuff first. Okay, homework is going to be, somebody has their microphone on. Please turn it off so that way everybody else can hear me. Thank you. Here's the homework. We've already done this, right? We're going to trace the tens, right? So that we know how to write them. And then we're going to count them, and then write the number. Count them and write the number. Count how many there are and write the number. So that's pretty easy. We've done that already. Okay, and then the next thing right here, the next page, 192, this is also your homework. You're going to count all the corn and then write the number. Okay, pretty easy, right? We know how to count and touch and write our numbers. And then right here, we're going to count how many of these counters there is. Looks like there's the gray ones and then the light gray ones, because there's two different colors. There's these right here and these right here. So we're going to count how many they are and then write the number. Count how many there are and write the number. After you're done counting them and write the number, it says to circle the number that is less than. Less than. So which one is less than the other? Which one is smaller? Less than, okay? Because less than means smaller. So you're going to count these counters, write down the number, and count it and write down the number. And then you're going to see which one between the two. You're going to compare these two and see which one is less than the other, okay? And then this one's easy. This says show how many counters would be in this 10 frame with this number. So this number is what? Number 5. So we have to show 5 in the 5 frame. Okay, drawing our counters inside the boxes to show the number 5. Okay, so pretty easy homework, not too bad. All right, count and write the number, count and write the number, count and write the number, and then compare which one's less than, which one's smaller than the other. Okay, less than the other. And then trace the 5 and show 5 in the 5 frame. Okay, and then of course, the next one is just counting and tracing. Okay, so that's your homework. Now we are done with math. And if you have any questions, please let me know.